Do you know why some people are rich but still sad, while others with little are always happy? Let me tell you the secret of a happy little bird. The boy had many toys, clothes, and candies, but still felt lonely inside. His smile was big, but his heart was not truly full. One morning, the little bird chirped, "Happiness is not about what you have, but what you share." The boy listened with wide eyes. The boy wondered, "Share? But what do I share?" The bird sang again, "Start with kindness. It is the richest gift of all." That day, the boy shared his lunch with a poor kid at school. For the first time, his heart felt light and warm, like the sun. The bird sang again, "See, true happiness comes when you give, not when you keep everything for yourself." From that day, the boy learned the secret. A rich heart is worth more than rich pockets. Happiness grows when you share.